Yakni benta jongga kubor la OneRasP daga fatafat online shopping store.
Menteri kakot kakia jong gajala Meghalaya uba AL hek ulayatho uba ubre ubatray ha State Bank of India Khanapara but uba test positive ya COVID-19 uday uba na Assam but uyo ru yauni khunyang jingpang ha Assam but kumta ka Meghalaya kamdon kam khuslai halor kani uba hek ulapun tip ru ba ka State Bank Khanapara kala sak hangdam menta sipor ba ka jingwat ya ki primary contact kala sedang nado ba ka test jong uni ubatray ha kane ka bang kalong positive
is working in the Khanapara SBI branch, Meghalaya. He was tested positive. Soon after we have got the report, we have closed the bank and also doing all the tracing contact of those people who had contacted that person working in that bank. Bank is in Meghalaya, but the person it is found positive in Assam, not in Meghalaya. It's not recorded in the list of Meghalaya since they are tested in Assam. So that bank now it has closed had been closed for some time because he is from Assam. He has gone back to Assam. He is doing quarantine in Assam only. So, but only those who are contacted with this person, the tracing contact been doing now from the health department, state of Meghalaya. Anybody, whether it is the primary contact or it is secondary contact, whatever contact, the tracing contact been doing by the state government.
Habaya day baka jingdon ki COVID-19 ke sa Meghalaya uba hek ulapan tip baka jela Meghalaya hadu kani ka sngi jong ka arkulai trik ujeliu kadan sapundro kili ki positive case ha ka ba prangut kilong active but life nyongut kila kot no but uba hek ulapan tip ru baki nomuna balapha hadu kani ka sngi kilong khanreu hajar khandai spa life waitli ha ka ba khanreu hajar sun spa prap santli kilong negative but life spa tli ki nomuna pat tang hap am hadu mentam